Alright guys, this is I'm gonna start a new thing here. People seem to like unboxing videos. I have tons of stuff to open, so figure why not do some unboxing videos. This is, well, that's a cat. I didn't unbox that. And if I did, I would send him back. Just kidding. This is Ghost. Alright, this is a Lexivon, I assume that's how you pronounce it. Torque wrench, the half-inch drive click torque wrench, between 25 and 250 foot-pounds torque. Ordered it on Amazon. It was like right around 50 bucks. I'll post somewhere the actual total whenever I edit it. Let's get opening. Now, I just want to say that this is not an endorsement. I actually paid for this full price. I know they were sending these out to a couple YouTubers. I was not one. My channel is not quite that big. Matter of fact, I think I have less than 30 subscribers. Nice plastic carrying case. That said, I will give my honest opinion on what I think about it. Like I said in a previous video, I have a cheap, I think it's a Chicago Harbor Freight junk that I've done a couple head gaskets with and just did not like it, did not trust it. So I decided to order this when I go to build my motor. Let's see, we got 2-year warranty card. Apparently you got to register it, which I'll do later. Hey, you can't fit in that box. And this is a certificate of calibration with the actual serial number for my unit. It's pretty cool that they include that. It's got the date, who calibrated it, all the measurements that came out to calibration. Pretty neat. And operating instructions, which if you don't know how to use a torque wrench, then I don't know what you're doing ordering a torque wrench. And man, this thing is heavy. This is like heavy duty compared to that Chicago one. Whew. It just feels solid. The coating seems pretty stable. Like it won't just, you know, mar off or chip off or flake. Clicks seem pretty good. Of course, until I actually try to put it to good use, I won't know, you know, how well it actually does. Oh, that's nice and smooth. You know how if you've ever used the Chicago's, man, it is hard to get just the right reading because it wants to go too far or slip. This one seems nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Yeah, that's gonna be good, I think. It says store it. Lowest setting. I assume locked. Yeah, we're gonna definitely looking forward to try this out when I get back on my motor build. Yeah, it's definitely for 50, 60 bucks. I can't remember exactly what I paid for it. This actually seems pretty good. I'll definitely post back whenever I have a better idea on how it actually works. But I guess that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching.